How to fix Facebook Messenger switch accounts problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find the messenger. Click on it like this. First stop the app and then go to the permissions. Enable every permission here, especially the contacts permission. Go back and click on the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again, and now all what you want to do is go to the settings again on your phone. Go to the wireless at networks. Enable the airplane mode for 20 seconds or 15 seconds, and then disable it and reopen the messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe.